Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I transformed this wig and how I got these luscious curls. Stay tuned. This wig was an old wig. I'm just remaking it. And as you can see here, I colored it and I also made it over on the machine so it looks kind of different. We're going to start by applying just a tad bit of our Beau Passion heat protectant before we start curling. All you need is a little bit, you don't need much. Now we're going in with our Beaute Gloss Polish wax stick. We're gonna go ahead and apply it to the top where our part is going to be. And we're going to use our hot comb just to get the top flat. Now it's time to start on these bouncy curls. Now I'm going in with my Xtava wand curler. I did purchase this off of Amazon. It comes with like 5 different sizes. It's very affordable and they work really well. Here is a more detailed view of me doing a wand curl. You make sure the hair is wrapped tightly around the curling wand and you hold it in place for at least 4 to 5 seconds. Then you let it go and you hold it so it can preserve the bounciness, if you get what I mean, and then just let it go. Here I'm just applying some more of our Beaute Gloss Polish, and I'm gonna hot comb the top again to get it even more flat. Now let's proceed with those bouncy curls. So much body and so much volume these curls have. We about almost done curling, and then we're gonna get to styling. Now I'm just running my fingers through the curls. This is my favorite part. I love the way it looks right now. Let's apply that Beaute Gloss Polish one more time. Now that we got that nice and flat, we're just gonna go over it with the flat iron and we're gonna get our finished results. And we're all done. Look at that. What a transformation. thank you guys so much for watching again. If you want to see more videos like this, just hit that like and subscribe button. Bye now.